So this is our next equation, which at this point I don't think we need to write the formula again, so let's just quickly go direct to that. We have y minus, or actually maybe it's best that we write the formula again just for the sake of it. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. So now this is x1 comma y1, and then this is m. So let's plug that in. So this is negative 7 is y1. So y minus of negative 7 is just y plus 7. So y plus 7 is equal to m, which is negative 2/3, into x minus x1, which is just 4. And yeah, we got our points left equation. And now what we gotta do is that we're gonna convert this into y equals mx plus b form. So let's first multiply this out. So y plus 7 is equal to negative 2/3x 3x plus 8/3. All right, and now let's just subtract 7 from both sides. And 7 is equal to 21 divided by 3. So 8 minus 21/3. So 21 minus 8 would be 2 plus 10 plus 1. So 12, 13. So negative 13/3. So y is equal to negative 2/3x minus 13/3. Yeah. Okay. So now essentially what we're going to do is that we are going to plot this. Let's first start off. Let's first start off. Okay, I cannot talk today. Let's first start off. Yeah, let's just plot this. So this is going to be approximately negative 4 and 1/3. So negative 4 and 1/3. So about here, I'd say. And then we're going to decrease by 2 and move to the right by 3. So decrease by 2. So 1, 2. And move to the right by 1, 2, 3. There we go. And similarly, we're going to do that a few more times on the left side. So then in this case, we're going to rise by 2 and move to the left by 3. So rise by 1, 2, and move to the left by 1, 2, 3. Yep, and just we are going to do that again. Rise by 2 and move by 1, 2, 3. So approximately that's what our line is going to look like. Okay, and that's what our line looks like for y plus 7 is equal to negative 2/3 into x minus 4. All right, so now we have a new format, which is that we have to find the slope by ourselves. And we can use one of these points to then substitute as y1 and x1. So let's do that. So the formula that I talked about in the beginning, y2 minus y1 and divided by x2 minus x1. That's the formula that we're going to use right now. So let's pop in those values. This could be this will be x1 or sorry, y1. And then this will be y2. Similarly, this will be x2. And this will be y1. Or sorry, x1. Yeah, and let's plug that in. So y2 minus y1, so minus 5 minus of minus 2, which is plus 2, divided by x2 minus x1, so minus 4 minus 4, so minus 4 minus 4. That will be our slope. So basically just minus 3 divided by minus 8, which is just equal to 3/8. So our slope is equal to 3/8. Yep, so our slope is equal to 3/8. And now essentially what we have to do is that we can plug in on these points and we can use the slope and point slope formula. So y minus, I'm just going to put 4 and negative 2. So y minus 4 is equal to 3/8 into x plus 2. And yeah, that's our point slope form. And let's now convert it into slope intercept form. So y minus 4 is equal to 3/8x plus 6/8, or just 3/4. And now let's add 4 to both sides. And we have the y is equal to 3/8x plus 4/3. So, or sorry, 3/4, which is equal to 19 divided by 4. Plus 19 divided by 4. And let's just quickly draw that. So 19 divided by 4 is approximately equal to 4.75. Yeah. So 4.75 would be right here, I think. Yeah, right there. And then now we're going to rise by 3 and move to the left by 8. So we're going to rise by 1, 2, 3, and we're going to move to the left by 8. So about right here. And similarly, we're going to do the same thing for the other side. So we're gonna move down by 3. So 1, 2, 3. And we're going to move to the left by 8. There we go. And now let's just draw that line. Yeah, so that's approximately the graph of y minus 4 is equal to 3/8 into x plus 2. Yeah, okay. And this is our final equation for today. And I hope you learned something and that you can take it away in math. So now let's solve our slope again. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay. And this will be equal to, this will be x1, and this will be, oh sorry, that will be, yeah, this will be x1 comma y1. And this will be x2 comma y2, comma y2. Yep. And we've got, so then minus 2 minus 4, so minus 6 divided by 3 plus 6, so divided by 9. So our slope is equal to negative 2/3. So that's our slope. So our slope is negative 2/3. Okay. And now we can just pick one of these 2 points to be y2. Oh, sorry, not y2. Y1 and y2 and x1 in our point slope formula. And I'm just going to go with this because it's a little easier with smaller numbers. So y minus y1, which is equal to minus 2, so y plus 2, is equal to m, which is negative 2/3, into x minus x1, which is equal to 3. And that is our formula. So now let's quickly distribute everything. And y plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3x plus 6 divided by 3, or just plus 2. And now we can subtract 2 from both sides, which would cancel out this and this. So then we just got the simple proportional equation of y is equal to negative 2 by 3x. So let's just start with our y-intercept, which is equal to 0, 0. And we only need 2 points to form a line, but I'm just going to do more just in case. So I'll do 3. And then we're going to move down by 2 and to the left by 3. And then we're going to do it again, move down by 2 to the left by 3. Similarly, we're going to move up by 2 and to the right and to the left by 3. Sorry, I meant to say to the right here. We're going to do that again. And now let's just plot that line. Yeah, and that is the graph of y plus 2 is equal to negative 2 by 3 into x minus 3. And that was our final problem for today, and I hope you learned something that you can take away, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.